Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Friday, March 9. Jamaicans got the welcomed news yesterday that there will be no new taxes for the 2018-19 financial year.
No revenue measures for fiscal year 2018-19. Read my lips, no new taxes. For the first time in 14 years, there is some relief for the Jamaican people.
As he opened the budget debate, the finance minister declared that revenues and grants would fund most of the spending in the new financial year.
We have seen that along with increased compliance measures, there has been tax revenue buoyancy.
Of the $590.6 billion in projected revenues and grants, $518.4 billion will be earned from existing taxes. Another $60.9 billion will come from non-tax revenue, in addition to $2 billion in capital revenue and $9 billion of grants. To supplement these, the central government will need to borrow $103.2 billion, 48.4% less than fiscal year 2017-18. Parliament yesterday approved the government's budget of $773.7 billion for the financial year starting April 1. Jamaica has successfully passed the latest targets set under the IMF precautionary standby arrangement. That news was delivered at a briefing at Jamaica House this morning. During his budget presentation yesterday, Finance Minister Audley Shaw said continuing to meet the structural benchmarks as the program enters its final year would require sustained cooperation across the society.
It's important to note that this process will require constant and extensive consultation with stakeholders. It includes not only public sector workers, but also private sector clients and international development partners.
At the same time, he said dependence on the program has reduced due to government success in lowering the debt-to-GDP ratio, modernizing the public sector, increasing the social safety net, and strengthening fiscal monetary buffers on the economy.
Our program has now advanced to the point where IMF support is essentially an insurance policy. Jamaica has had no need to access any of the US $1.6 billion that is available to us right now.
During yesterday's sitting of the House of Representatives, Dr. Nigel Clark was sworn in as the newly elected Member of Parliament for the St. Andrew Northwestern constituency.
I, Nigel Andrew Lincoln Clark, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and laws of Jamaica.
Dr. Clark became the Member of Parliament after a successful by-election on Monday with over 4,000 votes. He is replacing former Minister and Member of Parliament Derek Smith, who retired in January after 29 years in the seat. Ground was broken on Wednesday for the construction of a new police station in Port Maria, St. Mary. The 18-month project will begin on May 7. It will provide a permanent home for the Port Maria Police, who are currently occupying rented space. The approximately 21,000 square foot property will house a new building of 3 floors, consisting of the headquarters for Area 2, which encompasses St. Mary, St. Anne, and Portland.
Why the 7th of May is because we are not going to be using a contractor. The project managers on this building will be the police themselves. So all them people who plan Dr. Wright to come be the done on the site and to take over, think again. There ain't no contractors, so we save the contractors' fee and the contractors' levy.
The project is being financed by the National Housing Trust at a cost of $60 million.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the NHG's way to contribute to the provision of a safe and secure community for its contributors, for its mortgagors, and for businesses that operate in the area.
The NHG's 5-year plan for St. Mary includes the implementation of over 300 housing solutions in areas such as Galena and Reddington. And finally, Jamaica has been named Best Destination for Adventure Tourism. The award was presented to Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett in Germany yesterday as part of the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association Patois International Travel Awards 2017. During the ceremony, Mr. Bartlett was also declared the world's Tourism Minister of the Year. The awards were given out at the ITB Global Tourism Trade Show in Berlin. After ITB Berlin, the minister travels to London to meet with stakeholders, including tour operators, hotel representatives, market executives, and travel trade media representatives as part of the Jamaica Tourist Board's marketing plan. He returns to the island on March 14. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.